Welcome to SysCare Professional IT Training, Sri Lanka's trusted choice for world-class cybersecurity certification programs. SysCare is an ISO 9001 quality certified and ISO 27001 information security certified company, giving you the highest level of education and security standards in IT training. The Certified Ethical Hacker by EC Council isn't just theory. It's a practical, hands-on program designed to make you job-ready from day one. You'll gain real hacking experience with vulnerable systems, advanced labs, and professional-grade tools, the same ones used by cybersecurity experts worldwide. As a SysCare CEH student, you get exclusive access to our learning management system, complete with lecture videos, exam model questions, and practical labs to sharpen your skills. Need hands-on practice? You'll work with skillable labs to simulate real-world attack and defense scenarios, preparing you for challenges in the field. Plus, our advanced exam simulators let you practice in real test environments, giving you the confidence to pass on your first attempt. With SysCare, you don't just prepare for CEH, you prepare for a career in cybersecurity. Call us today and secure your spot.